That looks pretty good. The backside, I guess you could say, looks to me like there's a little abnormal wear on what would be the inside. Doesn't really see any abnormal wear aside from that, which would potentially be this. Alternator seems very strong. No play. Water pump. No play. Little corrosion. But no play. Drive. No play. Air compressor. Seems good. Though I'm wondering, since I have everything apart, if I should just replace it, because I don't want to have to go back into the dash again to clean the evaporator. Power steering, in, out. There's no play up and down, but there's a little play in and out on the power steering pump. And then the tensioner, this one's hard to gauge because it pivots, obviously. But it seems like there's a little bit full front to back. Back out. Oh. Tiny bit front to back. I don't know if you can even really see that on the camera. Nothing up, down, really. Slight click. There's a plane going by. I don't know if you can hear it. Very slight. Oh, let's see, what else? I guess that's it. A little bit of cleaning here. Clean the corrosion up. All told, pretty good. Wait for a